Here I have VIVO Y17, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So tap set up your phone, then you should select like preferred language. I'll just stay with English, tap next. And you have to select your region. None of these ones, I guess, could be. Damn. It goes. Okay, could be Ukraine. Tap agree. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi network, but if you don't have any open network around, you can just skip this step and do this later. Then you have these Google services, which I suggest you turn off. Tap accept. Then you can set up date and time. Then you can set up fingerprint and face password. Then you can join user experience. Like I just suggested, to disable all these switchers, tap next. Then you can import data from your previous device, but if you want, you can just skip this step and set up device as new. Then I suggest you to deselect all these apps. They're like you need this AI, Quran, Indo, like all these messengers, like what is all this stuff? Just tap skip. And device is all set up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.